As consumers increasingly prefer fresh foods in modern, convenient, and aesthetic packaging, converters are faced with several challenges when manufacturing films and materials to meet these preferences. Fortunately, Bostik's smart anti-fog coatings can improve your operational efficiencies while achieving needed end-use performance. One challenge you might face is incorporating additional package functionality while keeping processing time to a minimum. This is because additional functionality, such as transparency and easy peelability, often requires increased process time. Bostik's smart anti-fog coatings offer you a two-in-one solution, combining heat seal and anti-fog capabilities into one product. This allows you to manufacture high-value, functional films with one converting step and cut your machining time in half when compared to needing separate heat seal and anti-fog processes. Complex processing methods also make it difficult for you to achieve desired packaging results, such as running multiple production lines for various materials at once. Additionally, using certain films that are susceptible to blocking can further complicate it. Bostik's smart anti-fog coatings, however, address your processing in its entirety by exhibiting low blocking and reducing SKU volumes. These coatings simplify your processing so that you can more effectively concentrate on meeting consumer preferences. Furthermore, you may not have the flexibility to manufacture multiple types of lidding films and are only equipped to either coat or extrude them. This can limit your ability to process the new materials needed to achieve end-use package performance. Bostik offers functional, heat seal, peelable, anti-fog coatings designed to run on a variety of converting equipment. By giving you more flexibility, you're more easily able to address consumer preferences. Focused on improving converters' operational efficiencies while achieving desired end-use performance, Bostik creates smart, anti-fog coatings that add value at every step of the packaging supply chain, enabling you to address complex challenges and see improved results. Learn how these coatings can benefit your processes today.